Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today is January 1st, 2020. Happy New Year. I've taken the whole month of December off, pretty much in my eBay business, and my sales are down like 60%. And I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that because a few things came up in December that made it hard for me to focus on the eBay business. I had a funeral to go to, and plus around Christmas for some reason I just got no sales. Nobody was interested in purchasing used items. So it is what it is. And in the past year, I pretty much have not been working on my eBay business because, that's a long story. I'll get into it at a different time. But as of right now, today, we're going to go into the dashboard. We're going to look at what's the goal for the new year and how we plan to accomplish this. I'll just say off the bat, my goal for the new year is to hit 80,000 in sales, which I think is perfectly in the realm of possibility. I would not hit 100,000. I know I'm not going to hit 100,000 that quick. But 80,000, I could get that. I could get that or be very, very close. I should hit at least 70,000 with a year of hard work into this eBay business. So as of right now, we're going to go into the dashboard, and I'm going to show you guys a couple things that sold. Only 2 items sold, but it is what it is. Try to get that back up to about 7 items a day is what I usually do when everything is up and running. So so since right now we're in the dashboard, and here are the 2 items that sold last night. This pink, let's see right here. These pink Vans, size 8.5. They look a lot smaller in this photo. Size 8.5. Sold for 16 plus shipping. I had a stain right here, as you can see on this photo. Right there. I can't show it to you guys, but yeah, had a stains. There was stains on this shoe, but it's still sold. I couldn't get it cleaned as much as I wanted to, but it's still sold. Decent profit. Like I said, I got these at the bin. So that's the first item that sold. The second item is actually really nice. These are a pair of American Eagle longer cargo shorts. I got those at the bins. I started picking up shorts in the bins, getting ready for March, and so I just listed them, and it sold for, I think it came, the total was $34 total. That's with they paid shipping, so that's a nice sale for a pair of shorts in the winter time. So that's it. I only got 2 items going out. These pair of shorts, American Eagle, and the Vans. So that's about it. But now we're going to take a look at the items that I listed today. I listed about 20 items today.
Dad?
Hold on a second. Yep.
Post? When are you going to be finished?
Another 10 minutes.
Okay.
Yep.
Alexa, hey go.
Alright, I'm back. Yeah, so I listed about 20 items today, which is pretty good. I did that by myself. Only hats. I had a whole batch of hats that I got from the bins. I got about 60 hats at the bins the last time I went, and I started listing them, and we'll take a peek at how I price my items in the photography. So here we go. First item we have is a vintage Phoenix Suns throwback. This is pretty plain. I think my items for the most part are, I price my items on the higher end because I send a lot of offers out and I take best offers sometimes. But this is a nice, simple, vintage I don't even think it's vintage, Cherry Truth. It looks vintage. But it could just be regular. You know, starters, cap, fairly clean. Nice Phoenix Suns starter. I have it on sale right now for $14. Next, we have a hockey, Calgary Flames hockey cap. Got this up for $16. Nice little design. Got some photos on the side. And this one's also clean. Next, Arctic Cat, a world-class snowmobile. Nice Arctic Cat. I don't know how well it's gonna do. One of those sold for around 10, or they're being listed for 10, but there's not that many, so I have mine as of right now as 20. Might be high, but we'll see. We'll see how that goes. Next, we got, this is nice. I like this one. Texas Longhorns starter cap. This is 100% wool. This is a nice starter cap. I like this one. And it's a little dirty on the inside. The inside is a little dirty, but it's not too bad. But a nice Texas Longhorn starter cap right there. Next, we got Penn State Nittany Lion Nike snapback. It's nice. This one's almost actually, I could even list this as brand new, but I didn't because, you know, I didn't buy it. So I don't know if it's new, but it's really, really clean. And it's really good condition. It's like it doesn't look like it's been worn, if at all. Next, we have Carolina Panthers hat. The only thing that's special about this hat, I think, is just this part right here, the Panthers in the back, snapback area. So I have this up. On the inside, I have it listed as pick 3. Really dirty on the inside, as you can see. The inside brim is a little dirty. Next, we got the logo is old. Atlanta Falcons. This is the 90s logo, but it doesn't look that old to me, so it's probably most likely a reproduction. I don't think this is vintage. So it's Atlanta Falcons hat. Next, we have New Orleans Saints. It's nice little. It's a little different design. It's not bad. It's clean on the inside. It's not by any major brand though, so it is what it is. Have it up for 18, but you know, open for offers. Next, we have Texas. This is a banker's hat. This is one of those hats they give you like if you open up a bank account in the bank. So I still have it up there. I got it for $12. I did list it as a First Interstate Bank hat. The logo's right there, so covering my bases there. I mean, it's still one of the older logos, so we'll see how that does. This probably will never sell. We'll see. Next, we got this is a nice one. I like this one. Stained on the inside. Yeah, the inside's not looking good. Proline. It's an older brand. But this is a nice little cap. Next, we got Pittsburgh Steelers. I said Steelers. Pittsburgh Pirates hat. New era. There we go. I just recently got this mannequin foam. It's always tipping over, so I need to put it on a platform so it doesn't tip over. So next we got probably another Pittsburgh hat. New era Pittsburgh Pirates hat. Pretty standard snapback from New Era. Next we have, I like this one, Tampa Bay Rays. Look at this, the Devil Rays. They don't have the Devil Rays in the name anymore, but the Tampa Bay Devil Rays. I thought this was a wool hat, but it's not. Well, I don't know if it is. It didn't say that it was, but I like this hat right here. And it got the little rays in the back. Next we have Arizona Diamondback. This is in the 2000s. This logo right here. This is a nice hat, but it's really dirty on the inside. And I just don't know how to clean it from on the inside. Look at this. But, you know, I showed the contrast, I showed the dirt, and I have it at $14. Let's see, you know, if we get any offers on this one. Next, we have Atlanta Braves hat. This is old school for sure. Got the embroidered on the sides. It's a starter hat, so this is nice. Not bad on the inside. I like this one a little bit better though. This Braves hat's nice. It's got a little dirt on this side right here on the brim. Let's see. Right on this side, a little dirty. Atlanta Braves. Another starter cap. I got all of these for like $12. It's like 60 caps. 60 hats for $12. Nice little deal. This is really nice. I don't have best offer on this one. I've seen people price these as much as like $100. I'm like, I don't know about that one, my friend. A few sold for $40. This is dirty on the inside, I think. This Mighty Ducks. I think they changed the name to the Ducks, but this is the Mighty Ducks one. Nice color. It's a little dirty on the inside, just a little bit. But yeah, I like this one. There's no best offer on this one. Old school Kansas City Royals hat. Nice color. This is in good shape. This is really nice. So I'm starting to get into more hats because I'm running out of space in my inventory in my storage. So hats are easy to list. You can find these for like $1.50. So I'm gonna definitely start looking out for more hats. They sell. I mean, I've always sold hats consistently. I just never been actively looking for hats. This Colorado Rockies is nice also. Here we go. I think we got one more. This is not a hat. Look at this one. Bioshock 2. Omega and the Little Sister. I found this at Goodwill a little bit past Halloween. It wasn't Halloween, it was like in November, but I listed it in December. I got this for like $2. It doesn't come in the box, but it is still in its packaging. It's complete. It's got the Little Sister, this little thing right here. I don't know what that is. It's complete. I've seen this sold for, the comp says it sells for around 80 to 100. So I have mine listed for 80. So there you have it. There you have it. A little bit of what I listed, a little bit of what sold. So if you guys like and subscribe. I will be listing. I will be uploading regularly. I can't say daily, but regularly, to track this journey of trying to hit 80 grand. 80 grand in total. 3,000 listings. I'm currently at 1,500. So I'm trying to reach 3,000. And we're going to see how it goes. All right. Catch you guys next time. Peace.